Hulk have a soft spot. Baby Groot was pretty cute in the movies, pretty cute in real life. Don't tell anyone the Hulk said that.
Ready, and...
The Hulk is back at Pocket Watch, and today, the Hulk is opening up Guardians of the Galaxy toys. It's a really good movie, so the Hulk had to go get the toys. So we have Groot, we have Star-Lord, and we have the Hulk's least favorite, Raccoon. He's small, he talks a lot, Hulk only ready for action. But Hulk like Baby Groot. So let's open him. Star-Lord is played by Chris Pratt in the movie. Chris Pratt, really cool guy. Hulk respect him a lot. Let's get to know Star-Lord more. When the fate of the universe hangs in the balance, Peter Quill is ready to defeat interstellar evil. Yeah, really cool. Hulk likes the way he's springing into action. Drax. We didn't get a Drax toy. Drax thinks he's stronger than the Hulk. Drax is wrong. Let's go ahead and open this up Hulk style. Peter Quill, no match for the Hulk. He comes with his Star-Lord mask. Very snazzy dresser Star-Lord is. Nice gray pants with red accents. Hulk respect good fashion design. Let's put, he has this crazy, no! The Star-Lord makes the Hulk mad. He has two little blasters that he carries around, ready for action. Put these in there. The Hulk did it! His tiny plastic hands would have been tough to put guns in for a weaker person, but the Hulk, too strong. The Hulk can do anything with his strength. Doesn't matter anymore. Peter Quill, go defend the universe. Pew pew. Pew pew pew. Pew pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew pew. Yeah! Peter Quill! Now it's time for puny Rocket Raccoon. Comes with a really cool missile launcher. Looks angry all the time. Hulk likes that. And again, Baby Groot. Hulk have a soft spot. Baby Groot was pretty cute in the movies, pretty cute in real life. Don't tell anyone the Hulk said that. A mechanical genius, an intergalactic hero, Rocket Raccoon fights to take down the bad guys. Still small and puny to the Hulk. Hulk will prove it by opening the package. As the strongest there is. Be very careful with Baby Groot. Put Baby Groot down gently. And open up Rocket Raccoon. There's a tail that comes off. It's gone. Nice. Rocket Raccoon has rocket launcher because his name is Rocket. He has a tail that goes on. So, right now look at him. He's a raccoon with no tail. Not a good raccoon. The Hulk will fix that. The Hulk fixed it. Now he's ready for action. You know, the Hulk might have been wrong about Rocket Raccoon. He's small, but he's fierce. He's got a lot of fighting power, a lot of fighting action. Ready for action. Why'd your tail fall off? Rocket Raccoon made the Hulk look dumb. And finally, Groot. Big Groot, not Baby Groot. Hulk really liked Groot because he doesn't talk a lot and he's strong. Some people say the Groot can beat the Hulk. The Hulk doesn't agree. What do you think? You're wrong. The Hulk beats everyone. The Hulk will prove it. Take that, Groot. Oh, look. Groot comes right out of this package. Groot. Oh, no. Groot, what happened to your legs, Groot? Oh, the Hulk has them in his hands. Okay. So just put Groot's legs on here. So strongest there is. No plastic toy can defeat the Hulk's mega strength. Okay. Groot. Like he's very tall. Let's see, get Groot back with his friends. Rocket Raccoon with no tail, Peter Quill, or Star-Lord. Stand up, Star-Lord. Don't make the Hulk angry. And Groot tall, strongest on the force. Groot's everybody's favorite. He has branches that come out of his back because he's that strong. His head turns all the way around. Ah, Groot! Hulk really liked Groot. Groot's not stronger than Hulk though. All right, thank you for watching the Hulk open up Guardians of the Galaxy toys. Hulk had a great time. If you want to see Hulk open up more toys, comment, like, subscribe below, and tell the Hulk what else you want him to Hulk open. Ah! Tune in next time. Hulk did it. Ah!